Namaste, खुश रहो बिटिया. I JVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, APD Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Now today's topic is health education. Introduction. Health education form an important part of the health promotion activities. These activities occur in school, workplace, clinic and communities and including topics such as healthy eating, physical activity, tobacco use prevention, mental health, HIV, AIDS prevention and safety. Health education plus educational, motivational, skill building, and consequence raising technique, building individual and capacities. Healthy public policies provided by the environmental support encourage and enhance behavior changes by influencing both bring about meaningful and sustained change in the health of individuals and communities can occur in has become the integral part of various national health programs such as RNT, CP, RM, and CH plus A grade, and many communicable and non-communicable disease. Health literacy is an outcome of effective health education, increasing individuals' capacities to assess and use health information to make appropriate health decisions and maintain basic health. Health education has been used interchangeably with behavior change communication, information, education, and communication. Health promotion is the process of enabling people to increase control over and to improve their health. Reference OTA Charter for Health Promotion WHO Geneva 1986. Definition. Health education is any combination of learning experience designed to help individuals and communities improve their health by increasing their knowledge or influencing their attitude. WHO describe. Health literacy, the degree to which people are able to assess, understand, appreciate, and communicate information to engage with the demand of different health context in order to promote and maintain good health across the life courses. WHO. Definition knowledge and intellectual acquaintance, acquaintance with fact, truth, or principle gained by sight, experience, or report, attitude, manner, disposition, feeling, or position toward a person or thing, skill, the ability to do something well, arising from talent, training, or practice, belief, acceptance or acceptance of or confidence is an alleged fact or body of fact as true or right without positive knowledge or proof. A perceived truth, value, ideas, ideals, custom that arouse an emotional response for against them. Behavior change communication is a process of working with individual families and communities through different communication channels to promote positive health behavior and support an environment that enable that community to maintain positive behavior taken on. Information, education and communication is a process of working with individual communities and societies to develop communication strategies to promote positive behavior that are appropriate to their setting. Aims the encourage people to the adopt and sustain health promotion lifestyle and practice to promote the proper use of health service available to them, to arouse interest, to provide new knowledge, improve skill and change attitude in making rational decision, to solve their own problem, to stimulate individual and communities self-reliance and participation to achieve health developmental through individual and community involvement at every step from identifying problem to solve them. Approach in health education: regulatory approach, service approach, educational approach, primary health care approach. Legal or regulatory approach: any governmental intervention, direct or indirect, designed to alter human behavior. Example: Child Marriage Act in India, seat belt rule in car, etc. Advantage: simple and quick particularly be useful in time of emergency or in limited situations such as control for an epidemic disease or management of fair and festival. Legal or regulatory approach limitation in area of personal choice, alcohol, exercise, non-government can take away their right of freedom. Difficult to enforce law without a vast administrative infrastructure and considerable expenditure. Service approach intend to provide all the health facilities needed by the people at their doorstep on the assumption the people would use them to improve their own health. Limitation not based on the felt need of people. Educational approach most effective give autonomy towards their own life component motivation communication decision making result slow but permanent and enduring sufficient time for an individual to bring about changes and learning new fact as well as unlearning wrong information as well. Primary health care approach radically new approach starting from the people with their full participation and active involvement in the planning and delivery of health service based on principle of art health care via community involvement and intersectoral coordination. Individual help to become self-reliant in matter of health. Primary health care approach it can be done if the people receive the necessary guidance from healthcare provider in identify their health problem and finding workable solution. The approach is a fundamental shift from the earlier approaches since individuals vary so much in their socio-economic condition, tradition, attitude, belief, and level of knowledge. A single approach may not be suitable. Combination of approach must be evolved depending upon local circumstance. Content of health education, human biology, nutritional or hygiene. Concept of health education, environmental hygiene. Objective to educate the people in the principle of environmental health, which a view to bring about desired changes in health practice to secure adoption, wide use, and maintenance of environmental health facilities to promote active participation of people in planning, construction, and operational stage of environmental improvement. Family health care. The aim of health education is to strengthen and improve the quality of life of the family is as a unit so that it can survive the vicissitude of rapid and complex social changes. Control of communicable and uncommunicable disease. People are encouraged to participate in program of disease control, health protection and promotion. Mental health. The aim of education in mental health is to help people to keep mentally healthy and to prevent a mental breakdown. Prevention of accident occur in three main areas the home, road and the place of work. Safety education should be direct to these areas. It should be concerned of the engineering department and also responsibilities of the police department to enforce rule of road safety. Management must provide a safe environment and promote general order and cleanliness. Use of health service inform the public about the health service that are available in the community and how to use them. They should not be misused or abused. Principle of health education. Number first, community involvement in planning health education is essential. Without community involvement, the chance of any program succeeding are slim. The promotion of self-esteem should be an integral component of health education program. Volunteerism is ethical principle on which all health education programs should be built. Without it, health education program become propaganda. Health education should not seek to correct, but should rather him to facilitate informed choice. Number 4, health education should health education should respect cultural norms and take account of the economic and environmental constraint faced by people. It should seek positively to enhance respect for all. Good human relations are of utmost importance in learning. Number 6, evaluation need to be an integral part of health education. Number 7, there should be a responsibility of the accuracy of information and the appropriateness of method of use. Every health campaign need reinforcement, repetition of message in interval is used. Practice of health education, audio visual aid, audio visual method of health communication, individual, family, group, and general public. Combination of audio visual aids, sound, sight combined together to create a better presentation. Televisions, tape and slide combination, video cassette player and recorder, motivation picture or cinema, multimedia, computers. Counseling, counseling a confidential dialogue between a client and a healthcare provider, aim at enabling the client to cope with stress and take personal decisions related to disease. The aim of counseling based on the need for the client. Purpose threefold: to help client manage their problem more efficiently, effectively, to develop an unused opportunity to cope more fully, and to help and empower client to become more effective self helper in the future. Element of counseling gathers. G मतलब greet the client and make them comfortable and give full attention. A मतलब ask a assertion to need problem or reason for coming. T telling different choice option method to cope with problem. He H मतलब help the client to make voluntary decision. E मतलब explain fully the chosen decision action method. R मतलब return for follow up visit. Group health education, an effective way educating the country community. The choice of subject is very important. It must relate it direct to the interest of the group health. These methods are effective in promoting behavioral change, influence opinion, develop critical thinking, increase motivation. Method of group of health education: lecture, demonstration, and discuss method. Thank you. This is the Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, the first private women's university for girls' side. This university is safe, secure for girls' side, and the environment of this university green, clean, and happiness. And the director and advisor of the founder, Dr. Pankaj Garg, is very quiet nature and is a very helping nature and very good man. Good man is a very good man, and there is many courses is offered in medical, BHMS, BAMS or physiotherapy, and paramedical DMLT, BMLT, optometry, pharmacy is also including, and BTech, MTech, and health and educationally BEd, become agriculture are more course are offer this university. It's a good university for girls' child futures. Thank you.